Dick's does a lot of charity and community work in the communities that they're present in. They believe that the power of sports instills many values throughout the youth of the community, and they believe this is how you can really build communities and build good people. Basically, they offer sponsorships for teams, leagues, and athletes. Um, and like I said, they really put their money where their mouth is. They actually pledged $25 million to aid underfunded youth athletic programs in 2014. So they don't only just say that they care about sports, they actually put in the work to show that they care for sports. My strategic recommendation to Dix would be to look into and aggressively go after global expansion into emerging markets. They really need to take advantage of this while they still can. Um, the emerging markets of specifically Asia and China, or India and China, I'm sorry. Um, these two markets alone will be able to vastly grow the company over the course of the next 25 to 30 years, especially. Um, as the average income of these markets go up, the desire to play sports is going to rise. There's going to be more time to play sports, so their stores will be greatly valued. They need to learn from how they were able to create their success in the United States and pass it on to these new markets. And they just need to continue to be a quality company, follow the values that got them to where they are, and that's how they'll be able to be successful. All right, thank you for watching my presentation, and I'm sorry for the many breaks in videos.